Woodwork 101. Building sheds and more in a weekend or less. Woodworking is an art that has captivated the human spirit for centuries. It's a craft that allows individuals to transform raw materials into functional and beautiful structures. If you've ever dreamt of building your shed, crafting custom furniture, or even honing your woodworking skills, you're in the right place. Welcome to Woodwork 101, where we provide the tools, knowledge, and inspiration to help you achieve your DIY dreams. Unlock your creative potential. Woodwork 101 is your gateway to a treasure trove of woodworking knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting your journey in DIY projects, Woodwork 101 is designed to cater to all levels of expertise. Our motto is simple: how to build any shed in a weekend or less. And we mean it. Building sheds made easy. A shed is more than just a storage space. It's an extension of your home, a workshop, or a sanctuary for your hobbies. However, constructing a shed from scratch can take time and effort. That's where Woodwork 101 comes to your rescue. Our extensive collection of video tutorials breaks down shed construction into manageable steps, guiding you from start to finish. The result? A beautifully crafted shed that you can proudly call your own, all completed in a weekend or less. Hundreds of video tutorials. At the heart of Woodwork 101 are our meticulously crafted video tutorials. We believe in learning by doing, and our tutorials take you through the process of woodworking projects step by step. Each video is a virtual mentor, instructing you on the finer points of woodworking techniques, tips, and tricks. Whether you're learning to cut precise joints, create elegant woodwork designs, or master the art of finishing, our video tutorials offer a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. The world's biggest woodworking video vault. Woodwork 101 boasts the largest woodworking video vault in the world. With us, you gain access to a comprehensive database of detailed videos and blueprints, all in crystal clear, mouth-watering HD quality. Imagine having a personal woodworking mentor available whenever you need assistance. That's exactly what Woodwork 101 provides. Our vast library covers various woodworking projects, from building sheds to crafting exquisite furniture pieces and everything in between. Craftsmanship in your hands. Our mission is to show you that DIY home projects, when done the right way, are not just easy and fun, but they also yield top-quality results. With Woodwork 101, you can turn your dreams into reality in the blink of an eye. Whether you're an aspiring woodworker or a seasoned pro, we're committed to helping you achieve that perfect build every time. In the world of woodworking, Woodwork 101 stands as a beacon of knowledge and inspiration. We empower you to embark on DIY projects that were once distant dreams. Our dedication to making woodworking accessible and enjoyable is evident in the hundreds of video tutorials and blueprints at your fingertips. With us, building a shed, crafting custom furniture, or mastering woodworking techniques is not just a possibility, it's a weekend reality. Check the description to access Woodwork 101 from the official website.